Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Dollar Tree mommy to be sign. Some items that are used are colored papers including pink and cream. Then I also got some glitter, a pen, the X-Acto knife, some scissors, twine, and decorative flowers. Oh, did I mention glue? And that's it. The first thing I did is I went on Word and I printed what I wanted my sign to read, and then I cut it out in the shape I wanted. Then I traced it on that cream paper and I cut that out and I made that my backing. At the same time, I traced over the pink paper and I cut that out too so that I could have a beautiful pink background. The next thing you want to do is glue everything together and then use your pen as a reference point to put some flowers and decorate your sign. And I absolutely loved the way it turned out after I put the twine. I'm sure that you can have this idea for your bride-to-be sign. Thanks for watching!